Do you have a business but you don't know how to create a website? Don't worry, our team can help you. Take your business to the next level. Our creative team are expert in graphic design, create awesome websites, web developments, developing stunning designs, responsive design, make your website unique, e-commerce, online payments, accept payments directly on the site, mobile e-commerce, make your shop mobile, mobile payments, accepts payments directly over phone, social media and online marketing, connect to all social sites, search engine optimizer, get your website on Google, providing solutions for the world's best customer service, data security, protect your client information, and much more. So what you are waiting for?